Hello, my name is Abed Mana and among the applicants of MTN Data Science Training Program. In addition, I'm 24 years of age and I'm a graduate from Southern New Hampshire University under the K-Club program, and I'm currently working as a tally clerk and operations assistant at the Kigali Kigali. Data science is very important because this is a very way of analyzing the raw data to find meaningful decisions. So let's say if we have different raw data from education sector, from economic sector, we can use the right tools and we analyze them to have some meaningful, to make those data meaningful first, and then we can have to make some important decisions in the future. Data science is very important for the society, for the way it affects and helps the government to have proper planning and forecasting and budgeting. Let's say that government has the data from last year and data from this year. With the right tools, they can use that data to predict what is going to happen in the future. For instance, if we can know the level of economic growth for the last year and this year, then we can, with using the right tools, we can expect to have the kind of level of economic growth in 5 years or 10 years. In addition to that, data science helps the government to realize the problems that are facing population and have the different measures to mitigate them. For instance, we can analyze how different diseases have been affecting people and their increase, and then we can have the strategies to be put in place to reduce the occurrence of those diseases and different prevention methods in place. In addition to that, data science will help the researchers to know exactly how they can make a change in society by considering well-being of the people and also considering the economic terms. In business, data science has to play a vital role because first it helps business owners to know the consumer habits. Let's say if you have like camera in the shop, and then you are going to trace how people are picking up different products, and then you can analyze that data using the right tools to know which good is likely to be bought in the future, and then you can produce it at larger quantity to meet with the customer needs. Also, it can help to know when you need to readjust and have new product when necessary by basing on maybe tracking different feedback in different social media accounts or email accounts. By analyzing all those data, you can say, okay, we need to put new product in place basing on customer requests or basing on changes in the consumer habits. It can also help the business have proper planning by rescheduling their production process basing on the quantity they have to sell at different times. Let's say if a business can sell large quantity from January to March, and at other months it sells like raw level of product or raw quantity, then they can plan that, they can analyze that and know at this point of time we need to produce high quantity because we know that we have increase in demand, and in another month we have to produce raw quantities. Now, finally, as I'm working as operations assistant at DeepWorld, having this knowledge about data science will help me to help my organization analyze the raw data we have now, and we can predict and have some meaningful decisions. So that will help me to play a vital role where I'm working right now. In addition to that, I can get also another possibility. I can have another possibility of being hired by another company as a data analyst, and I can have to change my career since I'm still open to that. So I'm looking forward to joining this program. Thank you.